Where's your baby sister? All right, can you give baby sister kisses? Aw, thank you. Big kisses.
Oh.
And a hug. Thank you. Can you give baby sister another kiss? All right.
I'm gonna give me my children's book.
You want to read baby sister a book?
Yeah, my sister's book. Read it. Papa?
Can you read baby sister a book?